All right, welcome back to eSIM Studios. We have another case review. We got a ton of these rolling on here. We keep on grinding. We have a case review for the blue Google Pixel 8 Pro, just released, and we got a ton of cases for it to test it out. Now, this case, very heavy duty, and it came in this package. I'm gonna link this in the description of this video. Came in this package and comes with screen protectors. Let's see how many. There's one cleaning kit. There's two installation kits. I thought it was three, no? Just two. Comes with two installation kits. Now, this is a generic screen protector, but you basically put them on all the same way. Now, this does not come with a guide. You know, that hollow thing that you lay your phone down, you put the border on, and then you lay the screen protector on it. This did not come with that, so you're gonna have to eyeball it, which is kind of hard because you do not get a perfect install like this. This was with a guide installation kit, and it makes it for a seamless and easy installation. This one's tricky because you have to line it up and then drop it on your phone or lay it on your phone. So go and check our installation, screen protector installations. We have one for the Pixel 8 Pro. We have a screen protector installation for iPhone 15. And then it comes with install guide, which, is this a two-part? Okay, so it gives you some instructions here. And like I said, it comes with a wet wipe, a dry wipe, dust stickers, and a microfiber cloth. And let's pull out one of these screen protectors so you can take a look at it real quick. It did come all bundled inside of here, so it's kind of smashed up, but still looks like it's a very usable screen protector. This is the one with the hole punch on the top, so basically looks just like this one. Let's line it up to see, because I know it'll fit inside here. I already lined it up. Like, look, it fits inside there, so it's not going to lift this screen protector up. But I'm wondering, is it going to lift this one up? We'll try it out in a second, but let's see. Does it fit perfectly? It looks like it's a perfect match. As you can tell, there's some room around the sides, which allows for, you don't want it to go all the way up on to the very border of your phone where you see the shiny silver, because a lot of the cases you buy are going to lift up, when you put them on, they're going to lift up the screen protector. So you want to leave some room there. And it looks like it's a perfect match with mine. So it should fit this case in most cases, because I was worried. I was like, great, if I put it on my phone, is it going to lift it up? But it looks like it's not. Okay, so you get two of these screen protectors with the case. Now, you got a bunch of different colors. We got the yellow, very heavy duty. Before we get into the description of this, I'm going to link this in the description. So if you like it, you know where to get it. We did get it from Amazon. It's the Yenapoon, never heard of that, Yenapoon for Google Pixel 8 Pro, 10-foot military grade drop protection with the 2-pack of screen protectors. They do have, now look, it's actually very cheap. It's only $5. They got 50% off, normally $12. Now it's $6. They have it in, we got the yellow, they have it in a white, sky blue, which would match this one perfectly. They have a red, they have a pinkish, they have a gray, they have a dark blue, and they have a black. So the sky blue would look good with this one. The black one would look good with the black Pixel. And the white one would look good with the white Pixel. But we chose yellow, or my wife chose yellow. And we'll go from there. So I think we wanted to add some color into our case collection. But I'll link this in the description. We're not affiliated with this case company, or we don't have any affiliated links, so we don't get any kickbacks on these. We just simply review tech products and give you our honest opinion. Kind of feel like if we did have an affiliate link, that I would like, tell you to buy it and make, oh, this is great, when it's really not. So that's kind of like why I've been approached to do affiliate links, and I've always denied them, just because I feel like I can't give you my honest opinion. So this is interesting. You get very hard construction. Can't bend it whatsoever. Look, I'm putting some good force into it. Watch. Like I'm really trying, and it's just not bending. So very, very sturdy. See, you could saw the line in my hand. But it looks like it's a 2-layer case, because this right here, you can see is bendable and soft. Now it does get hard around the tops and look on the sides here. It's the same material as this, so it's just stiff. But here you can kind of bend it, and here you can definitely bend it. But up top, I think on right here and right here and right here, these two sections, there's no yellow part. Like you can see it's cut out. But along this border, I think the yellow continues up in here, and it's just basically on top of the yellow material. So that's why you can't really bend it. Be interesting to see how we get the phone in here. It's probably going to be a super tight fit. Now, there's no air pockets in here whatsoever, but all the cutouts there, yep, the mic. I'll have to test this because I do have a OnePlus charger that I know some of you don't use the factory charging cable that comes with yours. I have a ton of them around the house of all different kinds, but I typically use this for testing because this has a much thicker base and border and foundation for this part, which in some cases, no pun intended, it'll block. Oh, look, it'll go through, so it'll work, right? But sometimes it'll block on some of these heavy-duty cases where it doesn't fully plug into the phone. This one, we can tell, look, it goes in real easy, but we'll test it. And I have a wireless charger here that we're going to use to test as well to see if this can penetrate the hard plastic. Does give you decent camera protection, although it is a big cutout. I actually prefer the cases where, now it's not totally, look, on the Google cases, this whole section is cut out, and I don't like that because it exposes the whole camera bar. But as you can tell, it does wrap it around somewhat, but I like to have a little more protection, like this case here, or this case here, where it has individual cutouts for these sensors and for the flash and the thermometer. I prefer this, it just protects it more. I will settle for this and probably this, but it is kind of exposed, but we'll check it out and see. Let's go ahead and put the phone in there and see how it goes on. Not really sure. Now, there are lines in the back too, which is good for heat dissipation, because that's one of the things you have to worry about. Look. Here's the S23 Ultra, which I'm filming on, and the Pixel 8 Pro case. They have nice designs in there, which looks cool for design, but it's actually used for heat dissipation. Little air channels so the hot air can escape. Now, with these thick cases, you have to worry about, I know we're going into the winter months, but in the summer, when you put a real thick case on, it basically insulates your phone so it can get hot. But this does have air channels to apparently let out some of the hot air if and when it does build up, so that's good. Now, I don't know. Now, is this a 2-layer case? Can you take it apart? Looks like it's molded together pretty good. So I'm actually surprised at the construction of this. You know, being a $5 or $6 case. I think it is 2-layer. No, it looks 1-layer. But you can't take it apart. Like, you can't get your fingernail in there and pop it up, take it apart. Looks like it's molded into the design here. Yeah, it's molded in, so it cannot be taken apart. But let's give it a try. Normally with these heavy-duty ones, normally I'll put cases in. I'll put this side in first, and then pop this side in, like that. But you see how far over these sides come? Right here, it like wraps around and grabs your phone like this. You got to worry because I don't want it to lift up my screen protector. So with these heavy duty ones, here's the trick. Put the bottom in first and then push it down into place just like that. bottom in, push it down, and then snap the, holy crap, that's tight. I don't know how I'm going to get this out. It is a very tight fit, but nice and hard. Actually be good to put a kind of something like maybe a ring on there. What do you call it? A pop, ring pop, or whatever the hell they're called. One of these on here. Should be able to stick on there fairly well. So let's look at the camera protection. Not much, but there is some. It definitely sits up and over the camera sensor, so you're not gonna, you know, scratch your phone here. Interesting. It feels plasticky. All right. Look, it's hard. I know this was kind of soft, but it is not true silicone. It's still stiff. It's just flexible. But interesting. It's not too slippery, but look, I'm inside, all right? What if you're outdoors at a theme park, at SeaWorld or something, and you're walking around? I could see this possibly getting slippery with sweat and or just out, being outside, right? But it's not a slippery, a flat plastic. It does have some like sandpaper quality to it. So it should provide some grip, but it is plastic, so any type of fluids or anything might get it kind of slippery. And there's no grips whatsoever on the sides, so they couldn't do that to improve that. But look, with a $5 case, you can't really expect too much, right? Let's see if it makes clicky noises. Yep. Super clicky. Very clicky. The charging port looks to be fine. Yep. Still gives you a tiny bit of room. You can tell the nice big cutout for there, and the speakers. The microphone up top is evenly cut out. It does expose a little bit, but it does raise a little bit. Now let's look. It does not touch the screen protector whatsoever. There's a cutout for the top speaker up there. As you can tell, it does not touch all the way around. And damn, it's basically even with the screen protector. So just forewarning, now if you have a Pixel with no screen protector, the case border will sit up and over your screen. The screen protector adds 0.22 millimeters to the height of your screen. So it's basically even with this case. So I mention that because if you lay this face down on a surface, it's possible you will, if there's any gravel, if there's any debris on your surface, like a park bench or a park table, I would not lay it face down because you will scratch your, there's just not much coverage there on the screen protector. Basically flush, so be aware of that. And let's see if the wireless charging works. Wireless charger, phone, let's go. There we go. It does work, charging wirelessly. Just got to get it just right, because see, look, if you move it, it doesn't work. If you move it back, it works. If you move it down, it doesn't work. There we go. So you just got to get it just right. Let's see where the sweet spot is. Probably right in the middle right there. Yep, charging wirelessly. So it does work with wireless charging. That's good news. Now, the interesting part. Let's see how we take this off. Give this a shot. No, not that bad. Get one corner. Put your thumb there to hold it. My God, that's hard. Let's do this. One corner here, hold it. Do another corner there. So take it off the same way. Just you put it in there just in reverse order. Just like that. So with these super thick and stiff cases, bottom in first, snap in the top, and then take it off. Take the bottom out first, and then bring that top out. Whoops. Lord have mercy. I just set that, so I'm not sure how to turn it off, but okay, so that'll do it for this case review. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Do appreciate the time. And if you are a Pixel user, a Nothing Phone 2 user, or a Samsung Galaxy user, subscribe to our channel. If you love tech and like to hear tech news, subscribe to the channel. We got tons of stuff on the way, and really excited for this channel. So I do appreciate the time, and stay tuned. We got plenty more coming on the way. Peace out.